So yeah guys, I recently got this Hisense monitor and we are all going to unbox this monitor together. I'm going to show you what is inside. So in case some of you want to get something like this, I'll also tell you where you can get it. So here is it. Now let's open it. You can see LCD monitor is 27 inches. Now we are going to open it from the upside. So we just open it from here. So let's just take it out. First, we have the stand. You can see how it looks like. And then from here we have this particular one is being hooked to the stand. There we have, this is the power cable. Let's just remove it from the carton. So I think this is the user manual. You can see it's from Phony Nigeria Limited. Then this is the HDMI cable to connect to either your laptop, your PS, or anything that allows HDMI. So those are the things inside. Then the moment we were all waiting for, this is the front. All right, so we just remove that. Here is the monitor. You can see it. You can see how it looks like. So this is just basically what is it. So what we are going to do now, first we'll set it up with the stand, then we'll power it on. So let's go ahead to set this up. So this is how you set it up. You bring in this particular one, this one first. So what we are going to do is to just plug it in just like that. You can see what I just did there. You plug it in. So from here we are going to attach this one at the bottom of this. So you just have to screw it. So you make sure you make use of your screwdriver to screw it perfectly. So after that you can then mount it. So this is after it has been mounted. You are going to power it on, then connect it to the laptop so that you are going to see the actual screen resolution. And if you are going to buy something like this, you are going to connect our power cable. So this is it. Immediately you connect the power cable and then you connect the HDMI to your laptop and also to the monitor. Yeah, it's just going to appear like this. So just take a look at it. So this is the laptop and then this is the monitor. So let me just switch off this light so that you can actually see the screen. This is how it looks like after switching off my light. So you can see this is the screen, this is the monitor, and then this is my laptop. So let's just go online and then you can just see how it looks like. So cool. The screen resolution is nice. I also got a Bluetooth keyboard. So here is the keyboard that I got. Yeah, here is the keyboard, and then this is the cord for charging the keyboard. So for this keyboard you can just place it anywhere, then connect it to your laptop while you use it on the screen. So you can see the keyboard has a keyboard light. So you can see comes with keyboard light. So even at night I want to use this, you can quickly use it. So this was just a quick unboxing of the Hisense 27-inch N3F 1080p monitor. So for those that want to get it, that's the name. I'll just leave the name on the screen so you can get it. Thank you guys for watching this video. When I get new equipment, I'm also going to be doing the unboxing on this channel for those of you that want to get them.